Hello, my name is Stuart McPherson. Welcome to the 2019 Hanson Box, brought to you and funded by the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation. This box is an amazing resource for schools. It's absolutely full of incredible items that are completely free for 10,000 primary schools all across the UK and the UK overseas territories. Inside your box, you will find a letter from the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation that explains everything about the box, that it's completely free, and all of the different resources that it contains. Inside, there's a book about spectacular plants and how to grow them, hopefully to inspire millions of young people to grow amazing plants, both at school and at home. There's a wonderful kit created by the Royal Horticultural Society with seeds inside to get kids growing spectacular plants. In this case, sensitive plants, which when you touch them, the leaves dramatically close. It's a really amazing activity for children. There's also a book called Amazing Pets and How to Keep Them. And this explores a beautiful rainbow of amazing pets that can be kept ethically and easily, both at home and at school, to show the miracle of different biological processes like metamorphosis and hopefully inspire millions of kids to start being passionate about biology, science and natural history. The Amateur Entomologists Society very kindly partnered and created an offer of stick insect eggs. So any school in the country can cut off this section here of this document, post it in and receive completely free stick insect eggs to hopefully get schools all across the country keeping amazing stick insects. There's also 14 spectacular plants and amazing pets films that are completely free to watch online. This little flyer has the details and the websites, which are www.spectacularplants.com and weirdandwonderfulpets.com. The next sections concern the overseas territories, which is an amazing side of the UK that very few people know exists. There's a map that schools can hopefully use and put up on as a poster on walls, and it explains a little bit about the territories and a bit of an overview about the incredible treasure trove of wildlife, cultures and people that they harbour. We created a special DVD full of amazing films that will hopefully get young kids excited about the wildlife of the overseas territories and wanting to find out more. And last but certainly not least, there's a book called Britain's Distant Lands, which explores through hundreds of photos the amazing wealth of wildlife, history and cultures of the overseas territories, with 16 maps that showcase the geography of each one. So I really hope that schools right the way across the country enjoy the Hanson Box, and I really hope this makes a difference for inspiring millions and millions of young people to become passionate and enthusiastic about science, nature and conservation. A massive thank you to the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation for making all of this possible.